Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to click on the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. In today's session we will see how to create star rating chart in Tableau. Let me first show you the demo of what we will be doing today. Every one of you must have seen this star rating chart whenever you order anything from Amazon. They are graphical representations that show the distribution of ratings given by customers for a product on Amazon. The chart displays the number of ratings that are received for each star, 5 star to 1 star. So this is the chart that shows overall rating given by the customer to the Amazon products. Here we can see that 60% of the customers have given 5-star rating to the Amazon products. Then 16% of the customers have given 4-star rating. Then only 4% of the customers have given 1-star rating to the Amazon products. Now let's jump to Tableau and see how to create a chart similar to this one. First, let me show you the dataset that I will be using for this tutorial. So this is the Amazon reviews dataset that I have downloaded from the internet. So here you will see that these are the few columns that give us the information regarding the product, like the name of the product, then the manufacturer of the product, then the dimension of the product, and so on. And then we will find what is the rating that is given to the product, then the date when the review was given, and what was the review that was given to the product. And here we can see the username and the city of the customer who has given the rating. And this ID column is the unique column that is created based on each of the review that is given by the customer. Let me go back to Tableau. So first we will create a progress bar chart. For that, drag the rating column to row shelf. So we have rating starting from 1 till 5. Next, we will create a calculated field to find the count of products that will show us the distribution of ratings that are given by the customer for different products. So click on the drop down, click on create calculated field. Let's name it count of orders, and here we will write down count distinct ID column, which is the unique column here. Click on OK. Let me first sort this in descending order. Click on the drop down, click on sort, data source order descending. Now drag the calculated field that we have created to column shelf. Turn on the labels by clicking on show mark label. Let me change the fit to entire view. So here we are getting the distribution of rating that is given by the customers for the different products that they have ordered from Amazon. As we need to show the distribution based on percentage, so click on the drop down, click on quick table calculation, percent of total. Let me change the format as we do not want to show any decimal places. Click on format, go to pane, numbers drop down, go to percentage, and we don't want to show any decimal places. Now to create 100% filled chart, we will write down in the column shelf average of 1. Click on the drop down and create a dual axis chart. Now from all, select the mark type as bar. We will synchronize both the axes. Right click on synchronize axis. So the blue bar is getting hidden behind this orange bar. What we can do is we can just reverse the order of both these fields. Now let me edit the color. Instead of orange, we will select light gray color, and instead of blue, we can select this yellow color. Click on OK. Now let me hide the axis. Right click, uncheck show header. Let me hide the field label. Right click on hide field label for rows. Hide this axis as well. Right click, uncheck show header. Now we can remove all the grid lines. Right click on format, go to borders, select none for the row divider and select none for the column divider. Go to lines, go to columns, and from here we will select none for the grid lines and select none for the zero lines. Now all the grid lines are removed. Next we need to show this percentage at the end of the bar. So what we can do is remove the label from this count of orders field, uncheck show mark labels, select this average one field, and we will drag the count of orders percentage field to label. So press Ctrl on the keyboard and drop this field to text. Now the percentage is visible at the end of the bar. Lastly, let me remove the tooltips. Uncheck show tooltips, click on OK. Now instead of this rating 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we will show the stars. So for that, go to Google and search for star alt code and click on this first link. We will look for the dark and the light star. Instead of this rating 5, here we want to see 5 filled stars. So we will create a calculated field. Click on the drop down, click on create calculated field. Here we can give the name as star rating, and this will be case when rating is 5, then we will show 5 filled stars. So just copy this star and here we will paste 5 stars. Next 4, then there will be 4 filled stars. Just paste the star 4 times, and the last one would be unfilled star. Copy this, and next 3, then we will add 3 filled stars and 2 will be unfilled stars. Next 2, then there will be 2 filled stars and 3 will be unfilled stars. Last one, then we will have 4 unfilled stars and 1 will be filled star. Then end. We are getting error. Okay, so when will come here before each of the value. Now the calculation is valid. So what we are doing is we are replacing number 5 with 5 filled stars, then we are replacing 4 with 4 filled stars, and 1 will be unfilled star. Similarly For 1, we will have only one filled star and 4 will be unfilled stars. Click on OK. Now drag this star rating calculate field that we have created to row shelf and remove this rating column from here. So now you will see that instead of number we are getting the star rating. Now if you want to change the color or the font size, what we can do is right click on format. Then from here we can increase the font size. Let me select 12 and we can select this yellow color. So now let me add name column to filter. Click on all, click on OK. Now let me show the filter. So currently we are seeing the rating based on all the Amazon products. If you want, we can see the rating for the Amazon Fire TV. So here you will see that 59% of the customers have given 5-star rating to Amazon Fire TV. Then 25% of the customers have given 4-star rating and 9% of the customers have given 1-star rating to the Amazon Fire TV product. This is just a dummy data that we are using for this tutorial. If you want, you can also change the font color of the label. So click on this average one field, go to label and click on the font drop down and we can select this yellow color. Click on bold and if you want, you can even increase the font size. So in this way, we can create a star rating chart and see the distribution of ratings that are given by the customer for different products that they have ordered on Amazon. This was all that I had to cover in this session. I have added the link of this workbook in the description below. Do not forget to click on the thumbs up button if you like this session. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.